Hello everyone, welcome again to GIS Pathshala. So today we are going to start our chapter number 3, that is coordinate geometry. So in this chapter what we are going to learn? In this chapter we are going to learn about how to find the position of any object की पोजीशन कैसे हमको दिखानी है, हाउ टू शो द पोजीशन ऑफ एनी ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, सो लेट मी स्टार्ट द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द मैथमेटिशियन Descartes find that how to find the position of any object. So the name of the mathematician Descartes, so the name, the Cartesian system is that. So let me see the Cartesian system. That system we can represent on the graph paper. Okay, but here I draw it on the board. So let me see. So first of all, in the board, two axes are there, x-axis and y-axis. So here x and x dash. Right side we have to write x and left side x dash. On right side the numbers are positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the left hand side the numbers are negative -1, -2, -3, -4, like this. And same as a vertical line, the vertical line y and y dash. So upper side all the numbers are positive, and the downside, the y dash side, numbers are negative. And friend, between the center, that is the O. O means origin. Okay, on origin it is origin O. So friends, there are total 4 quadrants are there. This is called the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Total 4 quadrants are there. So if we want to find out the position of any object, so how can we find? So for this, two parameter, for x parameter and y parameter. So x parameter is called epsilon and the y parameter is called ordinate. So both parameters we have to find. So x position of the given object with reference to x axis and position of the given object with reference to y axis. Okay, so if we want to represent the object is on the position of 2, 3. So how can we find out? So 2 is the x-axis. So here 2 is there, 2 on x-axis and y on 3, 3 on y. So here, so if we draw, the object is here. Object यहाँ पे है 2, 3. Okay. Now if they say the object is on -3 and 5 is on the place of -3, 5. So how can we represent? So if I am writing -3, 5. So -3 is on x-axis. So it is -3 and 5. So means on y5. So here, object is here. So this way we can find out the position of the given which position. So this is the coordinate geometry. So we can say that the given object is on first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant or fourth quadrant. Okay, so in this we can say that the 2, 3 it is on first quadrant. This is in -3, 5 is in second quadrant. Okay, so this is the Cartesian system. These graphs we have to draw into our graph papers. Okay friends, thank you. So friends, let me see this chapter from the textbook coordinate geometry. So in this introduction is given. So in this one main road is given. It is in the direction of west east, and from this main road sub streets are there. Street number 1, street 2, street 3, street 4, streets till the street 8. And in these all street house numbers are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In each street there are 5 houses are there. So friends, from this graph, if we want to locate the position of any house, we can say that my friend is in street number 2, 4 numbers house. So we can say that street number 4 is over here and 4 numbers house is my friend is living over here. So from this graph we can find the position of any object. Okay, so this way we have to find out the position of any object from the graph paper, from the Cartesian system. Now here another activity type question is given. So first of all I take a sheet of the paper, and on sheet of the paper I just draw a dot. And then question is this: what is the position of this dot? So friends, we just find out the distance, horizontal distance between this line and this dot. So it is a 5 centimeter, and then find out the vertical distance between this dot and this. So it is a 9 centimeter. So we can say that this is 9 centimeter above from this line, and on right side of this line 5 centimeter. So it is the position of this dot we can find like this. Okay friends, so it is if we guess, it is a x axis and it is a y axis. So we can say that on x axis it is a 5. So the vertical distance is 5, and the horizontal distance is 5 and vertical distance is 9. So the dot is in position of 5, 9. Now next activity is given, the sitting plan. So in these different rows and columns are given. So rows are 1, 2, 3, 4. These all are rows, and the columns. So rows and columns. So where where the student have to sit, the particular place of the given student is given. Okay, so if your place is 4, 2, so on 4th row and 2nd column, so your place is over here like this. So if the teacher said your place is on 2nd 5, 2, 5, so 2 is on x-axis, means 2nd row, and 5th column, so it is a column, so column 50, so your place is over here. So this way we can mention the position of the given object or given thing. Now René Descartes, the great French mathematician of the 17th century, linked to lie in the bed and think. On day when resting in the bed, he solved the problem of describing the position of point in the plane. His method was developed of the older idea of latitude and longitude. In honor of Descartes, the system used for describing the position of points in a plane is also known as the Cartesian system. Means to find the position of any object or anything on the plane, means with the help of graph. So this system is called the Cartesian system. So these Cartesian systems we are going to study in this chapter. So from our next video we will start our exercise number 3.1. So here we finished our video. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.